So now let's see how we can work around with print job settings inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So over here you can see that I am in the print module right here, and if I were to go ahead and expand out the print job, then you can see some settings right here. For example, if you want to just print a draft with not much of quality, you can just go ahead and use the draft mode printing settings, but it won't give good results. If you want high quality results, you can go around over here and then disable the draft mode printing, and here you can see that you can select out the print resolution. So you can go ahead up till 600 ppi for very high quality, as you can see, but it gives an exclamation marks which says you have chosen a high resolution for printing, which could cause memory issues or failures as well. So you can go ahead and then change out the PPI according to how you want right here, depending on what you want. There's print sharpening around over here as well. So when the space gets printed, right now the sharpening is set to low, but if you want the sharpening to be high, you can simply go ahead and select it. You can choose for what type of media you're printing. So yeah, let's say for example matte, then you can select matte, and glossy paper, let's say for example traditional photo paper, then you can go ahead for glossy right here. So apart from this, you can see that the color management is right now managed by printer, but I can go ahead and choose others right here, and it opens up the profile section. So I can go ahead and choose include display profiles as well if you don't see it, and you can go ahead and choose the color profile that you want right here and press OK, and your printing will be arranged according to that color profile right there. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change the intent right here as you want, and even change around the printing adjustment and change around the brightness a bit right here as you want, and even go ahead and change around the contrast of the printer while printing accordingly. And that is how you can go ahead and then work around with print job settings inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.